Okay, guys, I got this message from one of my subscribers. Please, sir, can you explain how I can use the mobile setup to pick up a trade? Okay, I will be checking out that in this video. So I will be using this opportunity to explain how you can pick up a trade in this video. Okay, so in case you are also in the same shoe, I will advise you to watch this video to the end so that you will understand every bit about it. Before I go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you are not having the custom made indicator, I will also advise you to watch this video to the end so that you will know how to go about it. If you have any question, drop your question down there in the comment section. It is important for you to know that the forex market is a highly volatile market. You can make a lot from it if you know what you are doing, and you can also lose all if you don't know the right strategy to use. Okay, so it is important you understand it better before you go fully into it. So quickly, let's go straight into it right away. So this is a simple setup, and it is a mobile setup, and of course I'm on 5 minute time frame. As you can see, this particular asset actually got to the resistance zone around here, and of course, since it's unable to break out from there, it started a downtrend. Okay, so now let me use this current one to do an example. It's got to this support zone at this point, and if you should notice, this also shows that this asset has also over oversold, which means it's unable, it should be changing the direction of the trend from the downtrend into an uptrend, but that is if it is unable to break out below this support zone. How do we know it will not break out below the support zone? So we will now take our time to study the market structure around there. Now let's see, this actually got here and came back to this region, and you can see it's ranging around this region for a while, but it's unable to go beyond that. So it went back up and went above this. So at this point, I expect you to place a buy order at this point, because it has gone above the resistance. It has gone above the moving average line. That's the first thing. And of course, it has not been able to break out to this support zone, which it also finds difficult to get back to the place again in order to see if it will break out below it. So since all these are unable to occur, then it should be a buy trend. Okay, so you place your buy order around there, but because you have been able to confirm all this does not mean you should neglect the aspect of securing your capital. So your capital should also be secured, because anything can still happen within the forex market. So you should use this side as your stop loss. Okay, that is to place your stop loss on this support zone. Okay, so this is very, very important. But as you can see, this actually played in our direction. It bought for a while till it got to the end of the trend. Okay, the trend came to an end at this resistance zone, and if you should notice, this also shows that it has gotten to 70 at that point, which is also a good point for a trend to come to an end. Sometimes it goes far above that, but most of the time, once it gets to 70, then it should be a good point for you to close your order at that point, because anything can happen. It has gotten to a major resistance zone. Okay, so, and of course, you check the chart pattern again. This chart pattern is giving us the M vibes. Okay, so, and it's unable to break out above this resistance zone. So all you just need to do is just for you to wait for it to cross below the moving average, and it happened around here. So you place your sell order around here, and you still put your stop loss somewhere here. If you had done that, you can see you would have been in profit right now. At least you should be targeting this section, this point. Okay, and if it breaks out from there, then it should get to this region. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so this is how you can use this mobile setup to pull up a good trading activities for yourself. I will be stopping right here. If you have any other question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.